You know what I should have done? I should have filmed this video yesterday when my hair didn't look like I just run an egg beater through it. Welcome to puff sleeves part 2. Did you actually think that we would get here? I don't know. I kind of thought that we would. I think people underestimate my obsession with puff sleeve things. It's kind of becoming like, is it impressive? Are you in awe of it? Or are you just like, Cass, you're a problem. This is becoming questionable behavior. You need to sort this out. But the thing is, I don't want to. I'm having a moment. I said this in my last video. We didn't know it was going to be the part 1 to this video, but I said that, what did I say? Oh, my 8-year-old self is having a moment. She truly is. Like, look at these. This is crazy, but I love it. I have a couple of pieces. Actually, that's a lie. I have 3 dresses and 4 tops, including this one. It's gonna keep growing, I hope. These are the best, most insane sleeves. Like, we thought that the age sleeves on that, you know, the age top with the huge white sleeves, we thought they were crazy and enormous. And then I found this top. This is probably my new favorite thing ever. This top is by an independent Sydney-based designer called Wellington Factory. This is a linen material, striped linen. It comes in black as well, but I think, I don't know, I might get the black one. We'll see. I'll probably get the black one. Anyway, it has a button-up collar. It doesn't do it justice. Like, you need to see it. Oh, it's in an Instagram post as well, and so that, just so you can sort of grasp the volume of these, or the enormity of these sleeves. I haven't actually worn this out yet. I've just worn it to take photos in. I really want to wear it, I don't know, maybe I'll wear it to dinner next week. We'll see. I was gonna wear it to Henry's rugby games, but I feel like people would be like, is your girlfriend okay? What's with her sleeves? Not that I'm particularly concerned, but you know, I don't want to freak a bunch of boys out. This is new. Actually, are they all new? They're new in varying degrees. This is by Faithful? This is by Faithful, the brand. This is also linen. It has like a ruched back. Is that ruched? That's ruching, isn't it? With the elastic. It's at the back. You have a very puffy, long kind of sleeve situation going on here. You can push the sleeves down so that there's like an off the shoulder type thing happening. That's not really my thing, if I'm honest. I mean, I can appreciate it, but it's just not really my thing. But we'll see what happens come summertime. If I decide to dabble in that, it's just kind of like a throw on with a pair of denim shorts. Wow, denim shorts, something new and different for me. I hope no one gets sick of that, because I'm gonna wear denim shorts forever probably. Let's be real. That's just a disclaimer. There's like little ruffles at the hems, at the shoulder, bottom hem. It's quite cute. I'm really quite fond of this. This is by Age, because of course it is. The glorious purveyors of gigantic sleeves. It doesn't even fit on the screen. This is also an Instagram post. It's cropped and there's ruching at the back and a zip. I think you can still get this on their website. It was on sale a while ago, but I think you can still get it. I'll have to check, and if it is, I'll link it. But they're like fucking Mickey Mouse ears. That's how big these sleeves are. This will be nice in summer. Again, I haven't worn this out. I haven't really worn anything out because still we're not going anywhere. I mean, we are, but it's kind of, do I want to leave my house? Also, it's been cold. In my last video, I was just like, oh, I can smell the warmth in the air, and then this week has been fucking freezing. Like, insanely cold. I also have a little bit of a cold, but it's just a cold. It's nothing untoward or sinister. So anyway, This is glorious. These sleeves are probably as big as these ones. I like that it's cropped. I think that kind of gives you a little bit more versatility. I wore it with a pair of jeans in the photo on Instagram, which is something that I don't normally do because of my height, and I'm kind of with jeans we have like a love-hate relationship. But with shorts or a maxi skirt, which is from memory how Age styled it, or even just like a regular skirt, a little rah-rah skirt, this would be super cute. This came in the mail today actually. It's just something easy for summer, spring and summer. It's nothing super fancy. There's like a little bit of a puff here with like a ruffled hem, some ruching at the back. This would be just like a Sunday outfit or like a weekend outfit. It's nice though. It feels like it's made out of a rayon. It's from General Pants. It's by, who's it by? Don't Ask Amanda, which I believe is one of their house brands. It was just cute. It was inexpensive, so I just decided to pick it up because why not? The only issue that I have is I have this with a lot of like wrap dresses and wrap tops. I'm quite, I don't know if it's the length of my torso, but I always tend to have like a gaping at the shoulders. It's like my shoulders aren't, my torso's not long enough. So they kind of fall down a little bit, I've noticed, but nothing that we can't work with. Could probably stick some tape and should be fine. But I do notice that I have that issue quite a lot. I bought a, I think it was a Realization dress, you know, the one with the daisies on it, the wrap one, years ago, and I had to send it back because it was just, I've had issues with a few Reformation dresses as well, like the same kind of thing. I'm just little, so it's annoying. Next is this. It's a dress. It's by Sir. I think you can still get this. It's a crew neck. It has puff sleeves and ruffles. So you have the best of both worlds. Rouging all down the front. It's also an Instagram post which I will insert. I saw this and didn't really think much of it. And then after a while I was like, I think I actually kind of want this. It's linen. Everything seems to be made out of linen lately, especially in Australia. I don't know why. I know it's a cooler fabric, and I think from what I've read, it's a much more sustainable fabric than cotton. Correct me if I'm wrong. Someone please educate me, because I haven't educated myself because I'm so fucking busy all the time. That is not an excuse. No, but seriously, I'm busy. But it's quite soft. You know how some linen isn't soft? It kind of feels like you're wearing a Hessian bag. This is lovely. Actually, every linen piece I have is quite nice and soft, which is what you want, I guess. I have 2 pieces left and they're both dresses. We're getting through this kind of quickly. Probably because I'm rambling less. It's unheard of. This is a collared denim dress by, who's this by? Oh, this is by The Fifth. This is so cute. The only issue I have is my waist doesn't go in very much. I'm very straight up and down. I'm pretty sure I've mentioned this in another video. It's a little bit more snug than I would like. Nothing that we can't work with. Probably can't eat if I'm wearing this, I won't lie. But because it's denim, it should stretch the more I wear it. I actually wore it around the house the afternoon I got it, just to stretch it out a little bit. Yeah, puff sleeves with like a very A-line shape. You can't see it. I'm gonna try all these on. It was quite big around, or roomy around the boob area, which is why I couldn't size up, to kind of counteract the issue of it being a little bit more snug around the waist than I would have liked, because it would just be too big in the chest. Like, I just wouldn't be able to work with it. But like I said, fingers crossed for it stretching. Lastly, this is probably one of my favorite newer pieces. That's a dress. It's very like modern day Secret Garden vibes for me. That's how I kind of interpret it. It has like a crew neck and it has lace detailing here. Here's your puff sleeves. Again, linen, super soft. I don't know, it's just really, really nice. I got this for my birthday. So again, haven't worn this out. I've only worn it wandering around my front garden for photos. But definite spring, summer piece, I think, if you're going like out for a lunch or out for dinner or anywhere that requires you to leave the house other than to buy milk or fruit and vegetables. Thanks 2020 for sucking so profoundly. That was really quick. That was my last brain cell dying. I've been doing this all day. I've just been like, I've got so much crap to do and I would just sort of stop and just find myself staring into nothing. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will insert the link here as always. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any requests or suggestions or ideas, please leave a comment down below or send me a DM on Instagram. I'm very much open to suggestions. I'll see you soon.